Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap next. Then you have to select your region, tap next. Then you have to agree with user agreement, tap next. Then agree with terms of service, tap next. Then you have to, you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services. I suggest you disable all these features, but in any case you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you have to set up, you don't have to, you can set up unlock method, like password, fingerprint or face unlock. But you can also just do this later in settings and skip this for now. Then you can enable auto update overnight, but you can just skip this step and don't do this. Then you can import data from your old phone. If you want to do it, select import from old phone. If you just want to set this device as new, tap next. And your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.